Hey guys, it's Camille, aka Cam's Life, and I'm back with my first video of the year. I don't know about you guys, but I live in New England and our winter weather is no joke. Right now, my hair is matted at the root and I need help this wash day. So, if you want to see how I created this moisturizing detangling miracle, just stay tuned. Okay, jumping right in, we're starting with pre-soaked fenugreek seeds, sea moss gel, and true Onyx moisture balm hair tea. I already blended the fenugreek seeds. Now I'm just adding my sea moss gel and my hair tea mixture. And now I'm adding my hair oil. Today I'm using my True Onyx healing oil because this cold weather just has my scalp so dry and irritated. After blending and adding my hair tea to the mix for a smoother consistency, this is the end result, an almost pudding-like texture, no strain necessary. You can also obviously use water instead of the hair tea, but I just like the benefits that the tea adds to my pre-poo. Sorry about the quality in this clip. I bought this wall thing to catch my phone onto the wall and it was stressing me out because it looked foggy and there was no fog. Anyways, as you can see, my hair is looking rough. I just took some mini twists out a few days ago and I chose to be free for a little bit. So like no bonnet, no silk pillowcases, no scarves. Just some dry breakage prone freedom. My roots were so matted, I had to wet my fingers a little and put some pre-poo on my fingertips to even create sections. First, I dampen my section and then I take a heavy amount of the mix and apply it to my hair from ends to roots, just working my way up, making sure to detangle as I go. As I'm applying the pre-poo to my hair, I automatically feel life coming back into it. Curls are starting to pop and my tangles are melting. And my video is in real time, like no added speed or anything, just so you guys can see how well this pre-poo works on very neglected hair. I have to contribute this slip to my sea moss gel. If you've encountered this gel, then you know it's a super slimy texture, almost similar to like flaxseed gel. Sea moss is extremely moisturizing, promotes shine, and works to prevent hair loss. If you saw my last pre-poo video, you saw that I used aloe instead of sea moss. However, this time I replaced the aloe with sea moss. Not just for the reasons I said before, but aloe kind of traumatized me. I was being lazy one time and didn't strain my mixture, and there was a bunch of aloe pulp left in my hair. I also think that I'm also like a little bit allergic to aloe because whenever it touches me, I get really itchy. Like I could ignore the itch, but like the flakes from my last pre-poo session using aloe had me fed up. So now instead of aloe, I use sea moss gel, and I think my hair likes it so much more because my hair is really hydrated, like water, like drenched, like moist. Like it's so crazy how quick my snapback game is with sea moss gel. Not saying that aloe isn't a good option, but for me it just wasn't working out. We needed some change. Since we're talking about benefits, I might as well just keep going. So with the soaked fenugreek seeds in this mix, I love it. It's amazing. Fenugreek is the dopest thing for my whole hair journey that I can tell you guys. Like when I say I've tried rice water for protein, I've tried the over-the-counter, like the protein treatments that you buy at the store. Like Afro-G was my best friend at one point, especially when I was relaxed and transitioning from like so many journeys, heat damage, color damage, relaxed hair. Like Afro-G was my right hand person. But when I say nothing compares to fenugreek seeds, like let me tell you, like my strands are strong, my ends are strong. And in addition to healing damaged hair, fenugreek adds shine, softens strands, prevents hair loss, and combats dandruff. Combats dandruff. Also, like I've talked about my moisture balm hair teas in previous videos, but nothing compares to my True Onyx Naturals moisture balm hair tea. It's like rose water on steroids. I said it before and I said it again. My hair loves this stuff. It's a blend of rosebuds, green tea, and lavender. I chose to use a hair tea blend with my mixture instead of water because the hair tea itself has a bunch of nutrients jammed into it. Rosebuds being a natural conditioner while promoting thicker strands, lavender buds stimulating hair growth as well, and green tea helps limit hair follicle shedding. It's just a staple in my whole routine, and I've seen nothing but great results since I've been incorporating it. For this DIY, I chose to use my True Onyx healing oil. It's infused with aloe vera and has black seed oil and tea tree oil in it to also help with my dry scalp. I like this oil because even though I'm slightly allergic to aloe, I don't get the itchy symptoms with this oil like I would with a raw plant. My hair absolutely loves this stuff. Aloe is known to soothe irritated hair and scalp. Black seed oil hydrates, treats damaged hair, and promotes hair growth. And as I said before, tea tree oil is just amazing with nourishing and treating irritated, dry scalp. Now, I use this Pre Poo mixture every time I wash my hair. I love it so much, mainly because I don't have to go through all that tedious straining that you guys saw me do in my first Pre Poo video. Switching to sea moss gel allows me to literally just blend and go, which was necessary because I'm already spending so much time on my hair. I don't want to have to spend more than I need to. But yeah, I use this mixture every time I need to detangle to wash my hair, which is every wash day. And I try to stretch my wash days to once every 2 weeks, but this mixture is safe enough to use weekly for my hair at least. And I have done it and my hair has flourished. It's all about listening to my hair and doing what makes sense. And then I'll rinse everything out and I'll start my fall wash day routine, which is also coincidentally my winter wash day routine. And that video has already been uploaded. I can't talk today. That video has already been uploaded onto my channel, so definitely check it out if you're interested in seeing what I do next in this whole wash day routine. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to put you guys on to what's been helping my hair thrive in this cold New England weather. Oh my gosh, look at my hands just gliding through. And my hair was so matted and it was so tangled. Like, when I say that this Pre Poo has been making my wash days just so stress-free and just literally ABC 1 2 3, like step by step, it just makes the process that much easier. I really hope you guys get to try it. This is definitely a staple in my hair routine to the point where I make it every wash day. And sometimes I'll make enough where it can last me for 2 weeks. I'll put like a natural preservative in and I'll, store it in the fridge or something. If you try it, tag me. I'd love to see how you like it, how it's looking, how it's going for you, But that's it for this video. Thank you for staying until the end, and please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for some future content.